I'm Jonathan Geller, and this is the BGR Show. On this week's episode, we're heading over to Mercedes-Benz USA headquarters in New Jersey to check out the brand new 2013 SL550. The SL class is coming up on its 60-year anniversary, and Mercedes, who's always been ahead of its time, really outdid itself with this model. From custom apps and remote monitoring to a revolutionary panoramic roof, the new SL550 comes fully loaded with cutting-edge technology. Let's go check it out. So tell us the difference between the new Embrace 2 system and the previous Embrace system that was in all the Mercedes vehicles.
Well, today's Embrace 2 system, which is debuting in this model here, the SL, and it's going to roll out into all of our other models as the 2013 cars come out over the course of the summer, represents a generational shift in our connected car services portfolio. It builds upon what we've had for many years in the categories of safety and security features like collision notification and stolen vehicle recovery. One of the coolest things that I want to point out is the introduction of Mercedes-Benz apps. And that's really using cloud technology to bring the internet and custom-made apps right into your Mercedes-Benz. All these apps have in common is that they've been custom designed exclusively for the Mercedes-Benz driver. So they are all designed with the same sort of concerns for minimizing driver distraction as the other systems in our cars, like the hands-free calling system, the navigation system. We've taken a look at each one of these apps and said, you know, what makes the most sense to a driver when they're in a car? And right out of the gate this year, we're introducing 6 new apps. One is Google Local Search, which, you know, really brings the power of Google, you know, up to the minute search results right into your Mercedes-Benz. And 2 cool, unique features of our Google implementation are also Google Street View and panoramic. To be able to see a high-quality picture of where they're navigating to before they get there really helps them get to point B a little more easily. Another one of the apps that we have here is download points of interest and routes. So from Google Maps, if you have a Google account, you can create a custom route on Google and send it right into the car's Navi system and navigate from there. Right? Went down here, you can see here's the familiar Facebook icon. If I were to launch this, you'd be given a abbreviated menu and be able to see where your friends have recently checked into, and then you could actually navigate to them just by throwing it into the navigation system. You could post to your wall like your expected time of arrival if you have a destination plugged into your navigation system. And Travel Zones allows the user to create virtual fences around buildings, neighborhoods, streets, entire cities, in fact, and then have alerts related to those, so that when the car enters or departs them during sort of the parameters that the customer had set up, either by email or by SMS to their smartphone.
Let's say, you know, a business just opened a week ago or a month ago, that would actually show you the business in here. It's not something that's cached or that's downloaded and you have to update. It's all live.
Mercedes-Benz apps is a cloud-based system. So every time you fire up the car, it's pulling the latest version of the apps and the data behind them right into the vehicle. And that, you know, sort of kind of breaks that life cycle challenge that you have with cars, where typically for software updates you need to go to a dealership, but in the case of this, it's just being streamed right from the internet.
One of the coolest things about the 2013 S-Class is called Magic Sky. Magic Sky is incredible because it's one piece of glass that's electrically charged, and at the push of a button, it'll go from cloudy to clear, or from clear to cloudy. Another really cool feature on the 2013 SL is called Magic Vision. And Magic Vision is a way that you clean your windshield without getting water and soap on yourself. But more importantly, it doesn't obstruct your field of view. Magic Vision isn't something you'd normally think of, but it was really cool to see how it worked. Mercedes is one of the industry leaders when it comes to technology, and they're one of the first companies to integrate always-on internet connectivity. Embrace 2 and the custom apps Mercedes showed us today offer a truly connected experience for drivers. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check back next Thursday for an all-new episode of the BGR Show, where we'll be showing you the latest motion sensing technology with Leap and Nintendo.